How to recover your hacked Facebook account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your device by going on the Google Play Store, tap Facebook, and then make sure there is no update right here. If there is the option of update, then do update it and open your Facebook. So after you open your Facebook, you need to type your email or phone number that you have made your Facebook with. But if the password is already changed after it has been hacked, then you can tap on forgot your password, and then the verification code will be sent either in your phone number, WhatsApp, SMS, or your mail. So just try and change your Facebook password and this might recover it. But if the password has already been changed and you can no more access to your email and phone, then I would suggest you to report your Facebook account. Only after reporting your Facebook account you would be safe, and after reporting about 15 to 20 your account would be already dismissed and you would be safe, and you can again create a new Facebook account. But if the password has only been changed, then you can simply change the password by using your email address or phone number, by the way, that I have just mentioned you. So I hope you would use this and it will help you recover your account. And if it does, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.